Guys, I'm Kurt.
And I'm Nathan.
And we're here to tell you the story of Easter.
Woohoo!
With sound effects. As evening approached, there came a rich man
Cha-ching!
from Arimathea, named Joseph, who had himself become a disciple of Jesus. Going to Pilate, Nathan, wrong type of pilot. No planes. This is like a boss. There you go. Going to Pilate, he asked for Jesus' body, and Pilate ordered that it be given to him. There you go. Now we got the Pilate thing going. So Joseph took the body, wrapped it in a clean linen cloth, and placed it in his own new tomb that he had cut out of the rock. He rolled a big stone in front of the entrance to the tomb and went away. Mary Magdalene and the other Mary were sitting there opposite the tomb. The next day, the one after preparation day, the chief priests and the Pharisees went to Pilate. "Sir," they said, "we remember that while he was still alive, that deceiver said, 'After 3 days, I will rise again.'" So, give the order for the tomb to be made secure until the next day. Otherwise, his disciples may come and steal the body.
Dun, 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 dun.
And tell the people that he has been raised from the dead.
Woohoo!
This last deception will be worse than the first. "Take a guard," Pilate answered. "Go, make the tomb as secure as you know how." So they went and made the tomb secure by putting a seal on the stone. No sea animals here. Not that type of seal. It's like duct tape. There you go. Much better. Put a seal on the stone and posting a guard. After the Sabbath, at dawn, oh, Lion King, I got it. Nice. Yeah, so at dawn, on the first day of the week, Mary Magdalene and the other Mary went to look at the tomb. There was a violent earthquake.
What was it?
For an angel of the Lord came down from heaven and, going to the tomb, rolled back the stone and sat on it. His appearance was like lightning, and his clothes were white as snow. The guards were so afraid of him tone it back just a little bit. Like, there you go.
Okay.
They shook and became like dead men. No. Dead men don't snore. There we go. The angel said to the women, "Do not be afraid. For I know that you are looking for Jesus who was crucified. He is not here. He is risen.
Woohoo!
Just as he said. Come and see the place where he lay." He was laying there because he was... There you go. Yeah. Then, go quickly and tell his disciples, he is risen from the dead.
Woohoo!
And he's going ahead of you into Galilee. There you will see him. Now, I have told you. So, the women hurried away from the tomb, afraid, yet filled with joy, and ran to tell his disciples. Suddenly, Jesus met them. "Greetings," he said. They came to him, clasped his feet, and worshipped him.
Ooh.
Then Jesus said to them, "Do not be afraid. Go and tell my brothers to go to Galilee. There they will see me." And this is the Easter story.